morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Thunderous Thursday. Last night I prepared part of my bachelor week, bok choy and mushroom stir fry over brown rice. Very, very good vegetarian meal. By cutting the mushrooms into bigger pieces, it's like eating a great protein like beef. It was just really wonderful. Wonderful sauce. And the brown rice, good call. Today, I'm continuing the Asian flair into day, what is this, 4? Day 4 of being home alone as a bachelor. Today, I'm doing a beef and onion stir fry with an Asian flair. Let's get to it. It's another wok day. Gotta love the wok. Baking dish for the rice. We'll be doing white rice tonight. Here's the beef. Got some olive oil for the wok. The recipe actually calls for 2 onions. I might cut that down to 1 to 1.5. I'm not sure yet. The sauce is soy sauce, hoisin, oyster, Shaoying cooking wine, which I actually got at Super X Market. Yes, you can't find it in your local Bel Air, Rayleigh's, or wherever. It's garlic day, hence the big bag of 1 pound Christopher Ranch garlic. Some sugar, some cornstarch for thickening, some black pepper, and a couple green onions. These are looking kind of pathetic, but they should still work. Yesterday was basically the launch for the cookbook. Several were sold. Thank you all who purchased. I hope you enjoy it. It's actually part of the paperback is actually part of Prime if you have Amazon Prime. That's something they did. I have nothing to do with it. So enjoy the cookbook, and on this thunderous Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.